front of the Ming building owned by the Wong family clan. I'm part of the Fong Leun Tong Society, which is the Seto Clan family. We're trying to support the Wong Clan to save their building from demolition.
So after several months, our society, who's non-profit, ran out of funding. They took turns. Can you believe this? People in 80s, 90-year-old, they spent their evenings doing a watch at our building because we ran out of funding.
OCM, welcome. 歡迎大家，新年快樂 Happy New Year, everyone. Happy New Year. Ladies and gentlemen, I would like to also welcome our neighbor from the Filipino community.
Hey Dan. Hey, how you doing, Todd? Owning a clan building is more important than owning a home. For the Wong family, they don't want to sell the building. They don't want the building to be demolished. And for us, the Seto family, the Sit Seto family, we also want to keep our building, the Fong Leun Tong building. We don't want to sell it. So if you sell the building, it's just a building. There's no community, there's no life, there's no soul.
In 1959, Seto Clan members contributed money to buy our first building. 1959年成立一間路夾錢買我嘅矮間樓。
So right now, it's really important that we keep our building. We have a building on 1 East Hastings. It's where the Urban Art Gallery is. And we will not sell our building because it's really important to keep our building as a connection to our past.